What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be telling you, right? I'm going to be telling you, listen carefully. You need to be listening carefully, right? 3 mistakes or 2 mistakes that's killing your trading, right? Mistake number 1, and I'm going to get it, straight to the point, right? Mistake number 1, you are not following fundamentals. All right, that's mistake number 1. Okay, that is mistake number 1. Now, if you're not following fundamentals, you don't know when the news drivers are. You don't know what the news drivers mean, right? What you need to understand is that news or fundamentals sets the damn trend. All right, news or fundamentals sets the damn trend. Look at this. Gold today trading lower. I was in a sell over here, then I tried to buy over here, and then I just gave up and it just started ripping without me. RIP, right? But listen carefully. If the news is gonna set the trend, right, we need to understand what the damn news is. Am I right? You know I'm right, right? So take a look at Trade Easy, right? I recently integrated the economic calendar, right? And we're gonna have AI in this, all sorts of cool shit, right? But right now, this is the basic version that all of the beta testers can use. Now, if you want to join the beta testing group, if you want to join the waitlist link is down in the description below. So go fucking join it, because you're going to get 30% off and you're going to get early access to this cool shit over here, right? So now, if you just type in, say again, USD, you will see that we're going to get all of the USD news items for today, right? And based on what has already been released, we can see that Core PCE price index neutral, nothing. PCE pricings YOY neutral, even though it's a very, very, very minor shift, right? Goods trade balance bearish. Personal income neutral. Personal spending neutral. Michigan consumer sentiment slightly bearish for the US dollar. So if these two items are going to give us a bearish US dollar, what we're going to do is we're going to correlate this to the dashboard. Right? What is the dashboard saying, Sean? I don't know. Let's see. All right. So if you go to commodities, oh my goodness. Gold bearish? Silver bearish? Oil bearish? What's going on? Right? What's going on? Something is going on. Right? Now we saw that the data is telling us that, yeah, we're going to go up. But now, between the data release and the current dashboard that we're seeing, the current live sentiment analysis that we're seeing, we can see that something is going to happen, right? Something is indeed going to happen. But we saw that when the data released, it was bearish and prices sending this up. But right now, what's going on? Everything, apart from the economic news data, right? Everything is saying, nah, man, this should go down. Ooh, okay, fine. What does it need in order to trade lower? What does it need to trade lower? A higher time frame key level, daily, weekly level. Simple as that. All right. Now, what's the mistake number 2? Right? Mistake number two is you are not using Trade Easy. Done. Right? All of you, let this be a commandment. For if you do not use Trade Easy, you are doomed to be a failed trader. Amen. Now, let's take a look at mistake number 3. Mistake number 3 is you are not using HTF key levels, right, with fundamentals, right? Now we saw that gold is technically bearish. Fundamentally bearish. So how am I going to get in line with this, right? That's the biggest question. How are you going to get in line with the supposed bearish fundamental gold? Simple. I'm going to remove everything, right? We'll go to the daily, find your key level, right? So right now we can see that the key level is here. Boom. Let's go to the weekly. Where's the key level? There. We can use it maximum 2 times, right? Now we go to the 4 hour and we will see, okay, do I have any extreme price action that I can utilize above these lines? Yes. Volume imbalance from here to here, right? So technically I have this potential price level at 44440 something that I can use for a potential sell-off. Yes, because it's a 4-hour chart, we can see a bit, these chicka, and then dump. We can see that, of course, right? But we have confirmation measures in place to consider a short, whether it's a good short or not, right? So now I'm going to Control Z everything, and I'm going to summarize all these things down for you, right? So let's go Control Z. Come on, Control Z. Let's get the main points back. All right, here we go. Okay. The main mistake you're making is this. Here. This is the main fucking mistake you're making. If you are not using Trade Easy, if you are not using my platform that is designed to give you your goddamn edge, simple, guaranteed to lose. Now, walk the earth losing money, or join Trade Easy and walk the earth a fucking millionaire. I'll see you in the next one. Good luck and good trading. Bye bye.